Just done a job in Blackpool removing the insulation, and I just want to show you something. This is why really cavity wall insulation shouldn't be done in coastal areas, or at least it should be checked correctly. So we're at this property. The original damp proof course is at this height here, and then inside the cavity it's just full of sand above the damp proof course. So what can happen is the sand can draw water upwards. As you can see, that sand's all wet, and it can soak the water up above the original damp proof course, which is at that height. So the water travels up the sand inside the cavity, and then internally on the back of the walls you start getting issues. As you can see, the bricks at the back are wet. So what we'll do is we'll remove all this sand out of the cavity and we'll take it back below the damp proof course as it should be. This is just your typical job in a coastal area. All the cavities are more or less full of sand, and this is something the inspectors of the insulation company should have picked up on, and this is a job they should have walked away from, or they should have actually cleared the sand before they put the insulation in. But as we know, they just don't do that. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.